Welcome to my channel on CD Made Easy. Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to construct a simple helix. Definition. Helix is the part of a point that moves round a cylinder and at the same time moving axially, with the ratio of the two movements being constant. There are two types of helix. We have the left-handed helix and the right-handed helix. The right-handed helix moves clockwise when it's viewed axially away from the observer, and the left-handed helix moves anti-clockwise away from the observer when it's viewed axially. So this is helix showing its pitch. So this is the pitch, which means one turn or one revolution, one movement of an helix. So now helixes occurs in practice as screw thread. We have it as worm game, as spring, and it can also be seen in helical steers. So today we are going to see how to draw one complete turn for right-hand helix, having 60 mm diameter and 120 mm pitch. So the first thing is to draw the two views of the cylinder. So the two views, when you view a cylinder, you see the circle and the rectangle. So then you divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So the same number of equal parts, if you divide the circle into 8, you also divide the rectangle into 8 equal parts. So after you are done with the division of the circle, you number your circle 0, 1, 2, up to 11, which is 12 divisions. Then I will also divide the rectangle into 12 equal parts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 12 divisions in the rectangle. So from there, we'll move on to the next step, which is to draw vertical lines on the divisions. From each of the divisions, just project vertical lines upward. So the next one, you number the rectangle as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because the starting point is 0, will end at 11. It's still the same 12 divisions. So we can count to confirm. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 divisions. So the next thing is to draw horizontal lines. So you draw horizontal lines from the divisions on the circle. So the first one is at point 0, which has been established. It has been drawn. Then we'll move on to 11 and 1. So from 11, you draw horizontal line that goes all the way. You repeat at 10 and 2, 9 and 3, 8 and 4, 7 and 5, and the last part 2 is already there. So these are the horizontal lines. The last part is just to connect the points of intersection together. So how do we connect the points of intersections together? So just bring out your pencil. Now, center, okay, this is point 0. Look at the place where 0 intersects point 0 on the circle. So we trace it. This is 0. Trace it to the rectangle and intersect it. So this is point 0, intersecting 0 at this point. You put an asterisk. You also come to point 1. 1 and 11 goes together. So you go to point 1 and trace 1 on the rectangle. They are meeting here. So we are stirring it together. Go to 10 and 2. Okay, I've done 1. I will also do the same at 11. And the same thing for point 0. So whatever you do for the first one, you do for the second point. So at point 10 and 2, 10 and 2, so this is my 2. I will intersect it here. Then I also intersect 10. Next one is 3 and 9. So point 3, intersect. Point 9, intersect. This is 4 and 8. Intersect at 4. Also at 8. Next one is 7 and 5. So this is point 7 and, sorry, this is 5, okay, and this is point 7. Then the last point is point 6. So now when you look at this, it gives us the helix. So the next thing, just bring out your French curve and connect the points together. Now, when you are connecting the other part together, you're using thin short dashes. The reason is that the other side is hidden. So we're using thin shorts to indicate the hidden details. So we've been able to construct a right-handed helix.